Hey everybody, Mike Wrench Mike, we are back. This is IAA, and this is a video where we hopefully find something to add to the channel or find you something to put in your driveway. In your driveway, on your driveway, in your garage, on your driveway is the way that it should be. Anyway, they have everything from Teslas to Toyotas and Saabs to Audis. Everything else you could imagine they have out here. So we're going to start looking. Look at this. How about a 2015 Ford Taurus Limited with limited damage in the front? Everything's from the back is okay. Everything south of the headlight is fine. This is your damage right here. So she took it right here, right in front. You'll need a hood, you'll need a grill, you'll need the bumper. It's amazing how these condensers right here can still hold pressure. I have one that is all bent up in my Mercedes wagon, and I haven't replaced it yet, and it's got the coldest air conditioning I think that I've ever had. This one might still work. We're going to test it just to find out, okay? Going around on the side, we have, mucho macho tires. Got to be a mucho macho man. Yeah. Have I ever heard that before? Cosmo Mucho Macho tires. Who doesn't want to tell their friends they have Mucho Macho tires? Well, you got a tiger paw right on this one. Back over here, there's no damage at all, okay? It's black over black, which I like. The windows need to be tinted. What is this one? Uniroyal. We got all kinds of tires on this one. And Uniroyal. So you get 3 different kinds of tires. I don't know if I like that or not. No, I don't. I don't like that at all. This is, okay, we can open this up. Take a look at the damage underneath. Wow. So the struts don't work, but look at the engine. This has never been cleaned. Hopefully the oil has been changed. Let me just kind of rest this on my head. Very quickly, we'll take a look under here. There is oil. It's pretty dirty, it looks like to me. Ugh, I don't even want to touch anything under here. First thing I would do, clean this baby up. Yeah, undo the battery or remove the battery and then just clean everything and let it dry for a day or two. That's going to make a world of difference. Let's see, you know what? Let's make it easy on ourselves. It's going to be hot inside because there's no window tinting. So we're going to give the air, maybe. That's not going to stay open, is it? Okay, great. We'll just be hot. No problem. You don't want to cooperate with me. Nothing has cooperated with me today. Let me just tell you. I dropped my Coke. I lost my phone holder, my little tripod. I couldn't find the microphones. I've just had a day of it already. Let's see what's going to happen. Oh. Come on. Well, it was off to a rough start, but she's looking fine now. Look at this. These are really kind of cool cars. I've never had one, but I've always wanted one. Let's see if we can get some air conditioning flowing though. Wow. Max AC. Here we go. I guess they had Sirius FM. Okay, we have oil change due. We have 93,954 miles on her. She's running great now. Okay, let's just see what's going to happen. There we go. She goes into gear. Wait, yeah, this says transmission not in park. Ooh, this gets hot. I kind of like this though. I do. Is the air, now she's cooling down a little bit. Yeah, here we go. Look how they did this too on the doors. This is kind of some nice styling right here. I like that. And it goes all the way down and then it picks this up and it comes that way. Nice. Yeah, you're gonna work. Are you? Yes. Thank you very much. This is a nice place to be right here, baby. Yeah. Oh, this is an unsubscribed channel. Okay. See, we're on a preview. Is this touchscreen? Cancel. FM. Yeah, 1069.
Find me. What's 50 grand to?
Oh, that sounds good. It's a nice radio system. Let's see what the engine does now that it's running. Okay, we'll also see what's in the trunk. If I can figure out where the button is for the trunk. Look at all the, there's your seats, all these positions right here. This is nice. Okay. She runs great. And see, the compressor is compressing. So that's good news. Why are you not opening for me now? You opened just a minute ago. Oh, come on. Here we go. Ugh. Yeah. She runs good. The fan is turning. The engine is on. Everything is fine. It's just a pigsty in here. Yeah, but it's not oil. It's just dirt and grime. Okay, well, look at that. This is nice. Okay, I'm actually interested in this one. These are so much bigger when you walk up to them. This is nice looking. Okay, the back. The trunk, are you going to open for us? I don't even know where the button is. I guess there's not even one. Okay. Huh. Well, what do you guys think about the Ford Taurus? It's got the pedals that move. That's nice. We've got our sink. We've got a phone holder. Charging ports right there. Here it is. There we go. Now you're going to open. Yes. Okay, and there's some of your front parts. Look how big this trunk is. Nice. You got some floor mats there. Oh my goodness. Good job, Ford. This needs to get fixed. There, see, we're fixing things already. Yeah. Oh, nope, fell off again. Okay. There. Once again, 2015 Ford Taurus that I'm going to enjoy while my phone cools down. All right. Everybody tells me I need a truck. They're tired of me talking about it. They say, just go ahead and buy one. And I need to. I really do. What do you think about this one? 16 Ford F-150 with the EcoBoost. Yeah, lost type is collision. I just did a quick walk around. I didn't walk around behind the truck. I don't see any damage. You got these really cool off-road tires that I would probably never use. I don't think I'd ever take my truck off-road. You got a nice bed liner. You got some wood for the winter. That's good. FX4, which I like. The damage, she just got rear-ended. It's just right here. This is not a big deal. That's not a big deal at all. The tires are holding air. I love this red color. This is nice. And there's power. Look at the back seat. Oh, Mikey likes this one. Absolutely. Oops. That truck reached out and tried to bite me right there. Okay, so minimal damage. We have power, which means it is time to, oh, we got a little damage right here. Nothing big. We're climbing aboard. We're going to give her a start. And we're going to see what she's made of. Oh, 89,000 miles. I'm coming up with some great low mileage cars. Well, this is a 2016, so it's 8 years old. 12,000 a year. 80 plus 16 is 96. So yeah, this is just a little bit less than that. Here we go. Give me some AC, please. Yeah. We have Sirius XM again. We have the trailer backup system, which is fantastic. This is a huge shift knob. Uh-oh. She didn't like that at all. What happened? I put her into drive and she didn't like that at all. Oh, that's a wasp. Here we go. Engine is on. What's wrong here? Driver's door ajar. Okay. Not a big deal. Engine is on. Okay. 89,000 miles. That's low mileage. Nice cold AC. Wait a minute. I put it on max. I don't want this. Oh, max AC. There we go. This engine just does not seem to be too happy. Okay, so it's been serviced at a Chevrolet place. I don't know why. There's a sticker from a Chevrolet place. Let's just see what the engine is doing. All right, here we go. This little V6 seems to be idling very high. It sounds like it, but those are the fans that are actually on. We've got zip ties holding this together. That's not a good sign. We do have orange coolant, which is nice. Okay. She just didn't like it when we went into gear. Let's close this. There we go. Why didn't she like it when we went into gear? Okay. Window, nice, nice. I'm loving the air conditioning. Thank you. Okay, now let's watch this and see what happens when we go into drive. That's fine. Reverse. It's fine now. Maybe that was just a hiccup. I don't know. This is a nice truck though. Holy guacamole. I do need one of these in my life. I could pull anything I wanted to with it. Wow. All right. Well, Ford F-150, thank you very much. Trailer brakes, trailer backup, four-wheel drive, everything you need. Do I have heated and cooled seats? I don't think so. I think these are just regular seats. That's okay. That's all right with me. Can I interest you in a Corvette? Look at this one. She's flat as a pancake. Something bad happened. Something sat on her. And everything just goes, yep, look at that. It even broke your control arms, everything. Wow. Okay. Even the wheel is going the wrong way. That's a big deal. So we're going to keep on looking here. Here's a 2002 Corvette that is much more rebuildable than the other one. Yeah. Have you checked out the Corvette on Randy's channel? I helped him replace some body parts on it. Santa and I did. So please go check out Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. 82,000 miles on a 2002. In the right color, red, convertible. Yes, yes. Continental tires with a lot of tread on them. Look at the cool rims. Okay. This has a lot of potential. Yes. Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 matching tires. We have the insurance adjustment right here. I don't know why she put a squiggle, or he or she put a squiggly line right there. That seems to be okay. You need a fender and a door cover? Look at that. Okay, you got a zip tie doing something under here. You got 2 zip ties doing something under here. You got 3 zip ties doing something. Yeah, they're holding on the bumper. You can buy this little cover piece. That's not too difficult. And this is how you adjust it. 1, 2, and then there's a couple on the sides. Yeah, to get it looking just right. This is all okay. And some paint right here. I don't think the door is bent or anything. That's good news. Okay, let's see what she's like on the inside. Well, here's part of your pieces. Okay. It's an automatic. Let's put this over here. We'll put our floor mat over here too. This is your key, one of your keys. Oh my goodness. Okay. Look at this. This is nice. Except there's no power. Look at the interior. Oh my goodness. Okay, 82,000 miles on this. You're missing your door panel for some reason. And it's not in here. Is it in the trunk area? I don't know. Let's see if we can open the hood, see what's going on. All right, well, the phone died, of course. Typical day for me. Anyway, yeah, I like this a lot. Possible oil leak and all. So we're going to mark this one down. 2002 Chevy Corvette, 82,000 miles, and what looks to be a very, very easy fix. Could you see me racing Randy in his? Yeah, I don't know who would win, but there you go. 82,000 miles right there. Okay, nice. Let's move on. No, we're not moving on. That's the third vehicle in this video. So, love it, love it, love it. Anyway, let me know what you think about these three vehicles, which one you like the most. Am I missing anything that you want to see? Give me a recommendation. Yeah, let me know what you want to see. Do you want more trucks? Do you want more SUVs? Do you want more weird cars? I'm doing what I can to find the weird ones. It's just that this is Tulsa and we don't get a lot of really bizarre vehicles out here. So I'm doing the best with what I've got, all right? But I'm glad you're with me for the trip, all right? Thank you for watching. We're back with another video very, very soon. I think I just saw a little red convertible, another one. We're gonna check it out in the next video.